How to become a dasher. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can become a DoorDash dasher. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'll need to do is sign up on the DoorDash website. For that, simply search for DoorDash on your web browser. Then you can head over to its website. Here you'll find become a dasher option. Tap on that. After you tap on that, you'll need to sign up to become your dasher. So what you can do is type in your postal code here, then tap on next. So let me just choose that. Then tap on next and then type in your account. So type in your Google account or any other mail that you use, and then tap on next. And now type in your phone number. After you type in the phone number, DoorDash, you will have created your account. You can include your full name, your vehicle details, and stuff like that. After you submit the required information, DoorDash will conduct a background check and you'll need to submit your required documents. And after that, you'll need to link your bank account and follow whatever step the DoorDash will ask you to, and then you'll become a dasher. And then you can start dashing. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.